Okay, this head here, and that's the rear head. This is another rear head. It's another one of those oddball ones with only half the holes in it. And this is the D-ring that has half the holes in it. I thought that was 1949 they did that, but obviously they did it in 55 because this is a 55 head. It's got O-rings in it. So I don't know if they did it earlier than that too or not, but there you go. It's only has 6 holes here instead of 12. So they didn't do that for very long because it leaked like a sieve. See how these have more holes on them? Got twice the holes. So these are pretty rare heads, but just because they're rare doesn't make them any good. If you want a bike that leaks a lot, they're good. If you don't want it to leak, put the other drill the holes in there and put them in there. So anyway, that one's been replaced. You can see the big bubble gum roll all the way around it. You can see it in there too. This one don't have a blown head gasket on it. This one didn't have any cracks in it either. Kind of surprising. No cracks. So this one here, I'm taking up was good on this one. Yeah, see how this has a big rough mark in here? Cast it like that. See how this one here is nice and smooth. See how it has a big lip casted into it. There's also a big chunk right there where you go machine to casted. Big lip. This one's all gone. This has been all poured out. This one's stock. So when you see something really smooth in there, it's probably not stock. So there you go. This one I don't see any cracks in it either. It's another 55 head. Yeah. And a B4 and 8.4 or whatever the hell it is. There's another B4. So it must be something they did in early in the year, I'm guessing. Whatever year those codes, whatever you think those codes mean, go for it. Sure, there's a lot of theories on what they mean. I don't believe a lot of what people say. So, this side looks good. Don't see any much damage on it. Fins look better on this head too. Got one broken, one there. Like everything, you got different issues with each head. So this is the stock port. You can see how it's been modified in here. So this one has a better exhaust spigot. This one has all the fins on it. See, this one's missing this one right here. That right there is not there, see. Stars are pulling up a little bit, that's common. These are just casted in so they pull up a little bit and then they don't have any torque and it blows the head gasket and you have that problem. So you got to surface these down all the time to get these things down. You can run a file across them. This one's pulled pretty hard right there. See it in there a little bit. It's definitely sticking up. This one's nice and flush like it's supposed to be. So, yeah, that one's failing. This one's failing. These two are failing. Right next to the heat source. Imagine that. That's real good. This one feels good. This one looks like it's getting a little loose, but still good. Good, good. A little bit high on that one. That's definitely high, and that's definitely high. Back to the exhaust side. Pulling. So, there you go. See how this seat's up nice and high? This one here is sunk way down. So, a little different. So, definitely repairable. Alright, there you go. Early 55 6-bolt heads. It's the first ones I've gotten. All the damn heads I got laying over there is the first one that's this style. So there you go. Probably early 55 only. 2 rear heads. Maybe can do a dual carb motor and 2 carburetors. That'd be different. Alright, there you go. There's what they look like.